Ndewo. Today we are taking you through simple sentences in Igbo language using places and their names. If you are ready for this class, we are ready. Let's go to class right away. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You're welcome to class. Remember, we are talking about simple sentences with positions. E.g. ebe, me, ahịrịokwu dị iche iche. Positions. Let's begin the class right away. We're beginning with ebe. Okay? Ebe in Igbo is called here. Then we have number 2, ebe ahụ. This is called there in Igbo language. Number 3, we have ebe niile. Ebe niile is called everywhere in Igbo language. And we have number 4, ebe ọbụla. That is anywhere in Igbo language. And number 5 is ebe ọzọ, which means another place. We go to number 6, which is otu ebe, meaning somewhere in Igbo language. And then we have finally number 7, onweghị ebe, which means nowhere in Igbo language. Let's go on to make sentences with these. Okay, beginning with the first one, which is ebe, here. Let's have a simple sentence now. Anyị nọ ebe a. Anyị nọ ebe a. What does this mean in Igbo? In English, rather, it means we are here. Anyị nọ ebe a. We'll move on to the number 2, which is ebe ahụ. Ebe ahụ means there. There. Let's have our sentence now. Nsogbu dị ebe ahụ. Nsogbu dị ebe ahụ. What does this mean in English? There is problem there. Please pay attention to the color of each word, because in this channel we make use of color code to give you guide as to the meaning of individual words. With this, we hope to help you further to understand how to form your own sentences and understand the meaning of words, which will expand your knowledge even further. So pay attention to that. Let's proceed as we go to number 3, place or position, which is ebe niile. Ebe niile is everywhere, everywhere. Let's have our sentence now. Ha basara ebe niile. Ha basara ebe niile. What does this mean in English? They are scattered everywhere. They are scattered everywhere. Let's proceed to number 4 now. What is number 4? Ebe ọbụla. Ebe ọbụla, meaning anywhere. Anywhere. Let's go to sentence now. Gaa ebe ọbụla dị gị mma. Gaa ebe ọbụla dị gị mma. What does this mean? Go to anywhere you like. Go to anywhere you like. We'll move on to number 5 now. And number 5 is ebe ọzọ. Ebe ọzọ, meaning another place. Another place. Let's have our sentence. Were ya gaa ebe ọzọ. Were ya gaa ebe ọzọ. What does this mean? It means take it to another place. Can also mean take it and go to another place. That's why we put that in brackets. This is an alternative to the sentence. Okay? We'll move on now to... Are you aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you material to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline? These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. Number 6, which is otu ebe, meaning somewhere. Otu ebe, somewhere. And let's have our sentence now. Ọ ga-anọ otu ebe. You can also say ọ ga-adị otu ebe. That's why we put the option there. demarcated by a bar. So ogano otu ebe is an option. You can also say ogadi otu ebe, meaning what? It will be somewhere. It will be somewhere. And then we go to number 7. And what do we have in number 7? Onweyebe, nowhere. Onweyebe, nowhere. Let's have our sentence now. Number 1. Onweyebe onaga. Onweyebe onaga, meaning what? He is going nowhere. He is going nowhere, or he goes nowhere. That is where we're ending it today, but on the screen are videos we've selected we think they'll be helpful to you. Please click on either of them. Watch now, and they'll thank us later. Be sure to watch this video over and over again until you understand how to make sentences with positions and places. See you in the next video. Kemesia.